Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, where we talk about all kinds of edible and tropical plants. And in this episode, I'm going to tell you about a problem I have, and that is the best way to create a compost bin. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the steps. You see that I've started to pile up leaves and branches here in preparation, and I looked all over the place and found a really simple solution. It shouldn't cost much, so I thought I would walk you through the piece parts that you'll need to do this if you want to try to reproduce it. So let's get started and head over to the hardware store to get what we need. I am back from the hardware store, and here's what I found, exactly what I was looking for. And that is a 30-inch high, what they call animal cage grade, livestock containment grade, what I would call chicken wire, cage wire. And the kind of opening I got was this 1/2 inch by 1 inch. That's used in rabbit cages. It can be used for a lot of things. I plan to use it also for the rabbit cages that I'm going to build, so it'll serve for that purpose also. So in addition to getting this, and by the way, I'll leave links in the description, so go ahead and click those if you want to support the channel. I also purchased these wire snips, went ahead and spent a little bit more and got the compound action type. Let's get right down to the simple process. These 8-inch needle nose, heavy duty pliers, and I think they're going to be great for this project as well as building the rabbit cage. And the first thing you need to do is get the little clips off that are holding the wire mesh in place. Also, don't forget the old leather gloves. You'll see in the video I didn't have leather gloves on, and then I cut my finger. Most of the research I did said that the diameter should be about 4 feet or so. As it turns out, if you unravel this fence the entire way, you get about 3 feet, which is good enough for me. It takes up about the amount of space I want to give to it. It's also helpful to have some just nylon tie-down cordage. I ended up using this instead of the metal clips that came with the roll of wire. Okay, so there it is, the finished product. I just tied those nylon strings along the side there in several places, and now I'm going to move it to the area where I plan to pile the compost. That's going to hold a decent amount of compost. I'm pretty happy with that. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and stay to the end. There are going to be links to some really other cool videos. Getting ready to get rabbits, start more deep permaculture, but look at what we've done here. For $15 and the cost of a couple pairs of pliers, and you might already have had the pliers, created a really cool composting bin that's so simple, so simple. And you know, I am really surprised most of all at how much it holds. That's about a 3-foot diameter that I achieved with one roll of this animal cage wire. And I had some leaves that I had been laying here preparing for this, and I just kind of lined the bottom with them, but wow, it's going to hold a lot of compost. And now the idea is, when you need to flip the compost or turn it, all you have to do is pull this cage up and off it, and it just slides right up and off it because it's just a wire cage. And then you transfer it to a new location and just put in what's on top into the bottom of the new cage location. So you just basically can flip it with a pitchfork very easily. So it's a really functional system, very much function stacker, as they say in permaculture talk. All right, hey, thanks for watching Use Your Backyard. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and check out these videos. Look at those videos. Wow, there's a good one. There's one about growing pigeon peas, a high protein, high iron, very easy to grow plant. Here's one about coconuts. Here's a look at the brand new compost bin just resting in the shade. I added just the leaf matter that I had collected so far in there. I've still got a little bit more to put in there, but this is a great location. I even love the way it looks. I think it looks really cool. It's so functional, so useful. And once I get these rabbits, which I'll be getting soon, rabbits on Eat Your Backyard soon. We're getting 3 rabbits. They're already ordered. By the way, stay tuned for that video with Suzanne over at Funky Chickens Farms. That is an incredible interview. I'm going to basically copy her permaculture system, Circle of Life she calls it, here in my backyard. So hey, if you like this, why don't you do it yourself? It was easy. $15. $15 is all it took me to get this thing to fruition. You probably already have the tools. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff, and I hope to see you back. Look at that sweet compost bin.